Welcome back to the series of videos that teach you how to create your own stories. In today's video, you are going to get 3 disconnected words. Yes, and the rest is all up to your imagination. The words are broom, traffic, and lion. Now let's see how you make your own story out of these 3 words. Also, helping us give a sample is our little storyteller. Let's watch him. Also, click the link below to watch more videos about how to make your own stories.
Everyone, my name is Sauryaram. Today I'm telling you all a story. The story name is Flying on Broomstick by me. Once upon a time, there was a boy who flies on a broomstick. On his way, he was stopped by traffic police and questioned, "Why are you flying broomstick on the road? This is how I've been going around all my life. Tomorrow, you come to my jungle to see my culture." A lion roared at them, and the traffic police panicked. He said to the boy, "I'm sorry, come, let's fly away on your broomstick." The end. I'll make other stories for you. Bye, everyone.